Okay, so as I'm sure you guys have seen from the title, today's video is gonna be a little like get ready with me, but just my hair version slash review of these Gisou products that I got. So we're gonna start off with this hair mask, and we're gonna do this primer, and then the last step is gonna be this hair perfume. So I already took a shower and did all that jazz. So basically the directions are: after shampooing, apply a generous amount of Gisou honey infused hair mask onto towel dry hair from roots to tip. Leave in for 5 to 7 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. For best results, use 1 to 2 times per week. Suitable for all hair types. Okay, already off the bat, I'm just gonna tell you, this smells really nice. It's really sweet and like summery. To be frank, I've never done a hair mask before, so this is really gonna be a special experience for the both of us. So I'm just gonna start with that much and just get that in as much as I can. I have really thin hair that gets oily easily, so I'm honestly really interested in seeing what this does to my hair. I look like Kris Jenner. I'm gonna take one more dollop and just coat my ends with that. I'm gonna set a timer for 5 to 7 minutes. In the meantime, I'm just gonna moisturize. If you were wondering, which I know you weren't, but I'm moisturizing with the Kiehl's Crème de Corps, and I'm gonna mix it with this Isle of Paradise tanning drop thing, so it can look like I've been outside when we both know I haven't. And if you're wondering why my under eyes look so good for just skincare, it's because I used Tatcha the Pearl. Watch my Sephora haul for more info. Okay, so I doubt you guys can tell, but I just rinsed off the mask. But yeah, I can already feel my hair is a lot softer. Like just as I was washing it off, I could tell. I definitely tried to make sure that I really washed off all the product, because that's not the type of thing that you want sitting in your hair, because it's just gonna get oily. But yeah, I'm just gonna let this air dry for now. That's usually what I do. I'll let it air dry until it gets like almost dry, and then I'll blow dry it. And I'm gonna bring you guys along when I blow dry my hair, because I'll use this primer, which you can actually use in damp or dry hair, which is nice because my hair is usually like almost dry, kind of damp, if you know what I mean. So yeah, in the meantime, I'll just do my makeup and see you soon. So as I'm sure you can tell, I did my makeup and my hair is like almost dry but not. So I'm just gonna put this, it's called a polishing primer. Prep me, prime me, define me. Okay, so I'm also gonna put this from root to tip. I'm gonna put about that much in my hand to start. It's actually my second time using this, so I already have a gist of how it works. And okay, this also smells amazing, I just have to say. They're like really clean, summery, sweet scents, but not like too sweet, because I don't really like sweet scents, but these are nice because it's not too like aggressive. So basically what this does is it just helps with my frizz, and it really reduces the drying time of my hair, which is something I find very interesting. And it also kind of like helps keep the styling better, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna like blow out my hair now, and I feel like it kind of helps my hair take to the heat. Also, this is my Revlon blow dry brush, I guess. I got a lot of questions about this because I used it on Instagram the other day. I honestly love this. I'm going to show you guys like the finished product so you'll see, but I really like how it turns out. It's really smooth and it gives you that like kind of blowout effect without actually having to go to the salon. And it's really, really quick. Like I blow dry my whole head within like 5 minutes or something. But keep in mind, I do have really thin and pretty naturally straight hair, as you can tell. But yeah, if you're in the market for one of these and you have hair similar to mine, especially because like I don't know what it would be like on curly hair or really thick hair. It might take longer, might not work at all, God knows. But anyways, I love it for me. So and I'll just like go over my hair to dry it out, and then take a bit more time on the ends to try and get that like, oh, also I forgot. Usually I like to start by doing my bangs. Also, don't mind my bangs because I need to get a haircut, but quarantine, honey. I got this trick from Emma Leger, actually. Basically, you just blow out your bangs like that and like curve inwards, and it'll give you like a nice little floop, you know? Just going back to the sides, and I'll start doing smaller portions just to really dry everything out. Just from doing the first side, I can already tell my hair just like looks thicker. And I think I know it's partially because of the primer, because that's what happened last time. But I feel like the mask is really making my hair look silkier than usual. And like that, what I did just here took me like 2 minutes maybe. So now I'm just gonna do the other side. And then I'll just go over the top to really smooth it out. So now I'm like basically done with the blow drying. There's still a bit of moisture at the back, so I'm gonna go over that in a second. I just wanna go over the top with the primer again because you can use it on dry hair, and that's just gonna help really get rid of that extra frizz that I kind of have like a halo around my head. I don't know if you guys can tell, but my hair is looking super shiny and really healthy and thick, but in reality I have like no hair. This is how big my ponytail is. Like, that's literally non-existent. She do be looking thick though. Okay, so final touches is this hair perfume. I honestly love having hair perfume because I feel like, I don't know, like, you know when you like move your hair around or like somebody hugs you and then they really like smell your hair. And now like my hair smells good too, you know? If I were to describe this scent, it's definitely sweet, very summery. I don't know, I keep saying that, but all these scents just remind me of like a nice summer day. And like you're just a cute girl going on a picnic, you know? This is basically the finished look. I could have like went over my hair with a straightener to really like get all of like everything out, but I like when it has a bit more of a natural shape. I'm definitely gonna invest in the Gisou hair oil because I feel like that is really gonna step up my game and just really like flatten my hair out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this was helpful in some way. Also, if you want to know how I got these fake freckles, then go watch my Sephora haul. Hair slow-mo. Cue the music. So finally,